is the best way to handle grief? Matt and Daniela. Oo. Speaking as your characters ha, muna. And then later, maybe, pag yung personal na. Sorry, ito explain ko lang the reason I'm asking this is, you know, kasi may mga people your age who might be going through similar situations. Parang, kumbaga, instead of being triggered by the story, di ba? Patulungan ninyo sila. Yung ganun.
For my character, is to accept the pain.
Yeah.
You know, it's okay. It's normal to be hurt. It's normal to cry. Masakit talaga, and siguro yon, it will lead you to acceptance.
Similar din ba siya sa how you would deal with it?
Yeah. Iiyak ko lang lahat hanggang sa okay na.
So it will help kung i-release mo
Yeah.
through your tears, through physical.
Yes.
Sometimes kasi di ba hindi makalabas ng emotions or maka-express ng emotions yung tao, and medyo nagma-manifest physically.
There are times where I can't release my emotions. It hurts, but then sometimes I feel numb because I don't know how to release my emotion. I would suggest to find someone you trust and someone you can talk to.
Yeah.
Yun.
Okay. Thanks. Matt?
Example ba ito? Yeah, siguro same ako. Danny.
Ayun, audio.
Mas madali kasing maka-move on sa ganito kabigat na bagay kapag nandyan na yung acceptance. And I think hindi mo kailangan na madaliin na maging okay ka. Kailangan mo talaga ng time to heal. So, yes.
Tanong ko na rin po si Sir Joe tungkol sa yung best way to handle grief. Lalo na po kung after mapanood itong heartbreaking movie po natin.
Lately, ang daming mga balita about when I was watching, I've seen this before, but when I was watching the scene on Aksidente si Matt, I can just imagine the pain of those who have lost people recently. Alam naman natin yung mga nangyari. And suffering is part of life. Hindi ibig sabihin like, for example, if you're a follower of Christ, if you believe in God, it doesn't mean that life will not be free of suffering. It's part of life. And ang sa akin lang, suffering is, there's always a reason for things happening in our life. And para sa akin, importante to understand that in spite of how difficult our situation is, in spite of how painful our situation is, even if it doesn't seem good or look good, God is still good. And He will always have a reason and a purpose for allowing things to happen in our life. And all we have to do is trust Him, because He has good and better plans for us. And pain and suffering will always be the foundation on which beautiful things are going to be built by God in and through us.
Thank you po. Wow, thank you. Anyone who wants to ask a question?
Hello, good evening. I want to ask Mr. Joe Demago. Sir, I understand you just flew in from Australia just to attend the movie premiere.
Yes, I did.
So what's keeping you busy, sir, sa Australia po?
We left in 2013. We planted a church, an Every Nation Church, Victory dito. We were accidental missionaries, and I'm pastoring a church in Canberra. And I'm still doing a bit of social media, and we're running a little restaurant as well. So everything's fine. I have 4 daughters and 3 grandchildren now after we've left, and God is good. Thank you for asking.
May love notes pa rin po ba?
Meron pa pong love notes sa social media, and I think this is going to be the start of a series of love notes projects with Mavex, and we have a lot of things lined up po. So very exciting pa itong season of love notes.
So after the last goodbye, we'll be expecting another Joe Demago.
Actually, may sequel story na po ito, so please support it if this goes well. Meron na pong part 2 itong movie na to, so sana, God willing po, matuloy.
Okay, maraming salamat po, and good luck.
Thank you so much. Maraming
Salamat and congratulations. We're looking forward for more projects with Sergio and Mavex. Alright!
Salamat po sa lahat po na nanonood po dito. At salamat po sa lahat po. At sana po mag-God bless po kayong lahat. And stay happy!
Thank you. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. At saka congratulations sa cast, Daniela, bro, sis, direct. Ang galing. Joe, brother. Sana napulutan natin ng mabubuting aral and we need to watch more films like this, no? Palapakan po natin ulit yung pelikula.
Of course, we have Troy. Ikaw naman. Sorry, focus. Hello, Troy. Ayan na, Troy.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sana nagustuhan niyo po yung movie. Alam po namin na Lunes ngayon. Alam kong busy po ang karamihan. Nagawa niyo pa rin po ng paraan. Umulan pa kanina. Yun po, sana po nagustuhan niyo yung movie. And gusto ko lang i-congratulate yung kasama po dito sa movie na to. Dahil lang kasi na-overwhelm na ako kasi first time ko pong cast sa ganitong
Salamat, congrats ha. Kanina ikaw naman.
Okay, Troy, may masabi ka ha? Hindi, ayun. Thank you so much everyone, our friends, our family, relatives, and our media friends who all went here to support the movie The Last Goodbye. Syempre, congratulations to our very good actors here. Yes, palakpakan naman natin sila, si Matt and Daniela, and of course the whole cast. Yun, good luck sa US Near sa loob ng Pinoy Big Brother House. Mag-iingat ka dyan, isi-save ka namin. Sir Joe, congratulations po. Grabe, this is a testament of how great your journey has been. Kasi hanggang ngayon nakaka-relate pa rin kami. And direct congratulations. Grabe. Art film. Grabe. Papanoorin ko to. Hindi. Ayun lang, sana po please invite your friends, your family members, your mga Joabels nyo dyan to come and watch the movie. Starting na po yan tomorrow. Wednesday. Ayan, showing in cinemas nationwide. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Karina. Next, of course, Sergio. Ay, ikaw muna. Okay, sige.
Ako na muna kasi parang mas magaling sasabihin ni Sir Joe. Thank you so much, guys. Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung pelikula, please ipagkalat niyo po. Kung hindi po, please gustuhin niyo na lang din po talaga. Maraming salamat po sa lahat and sana po masuportahan niyo po at sabihin niyo po sa mga friends niyo na may ganito po tayong pelikula. Of course, thank you so much, Sir Joe, sa pagpapahiram sa amin ng totoong kwentong to. And to my cast, Troy, Karina, Daniela, Matt, Sir Louie, and Baby Boy, maraming salamat and Isnir. Sa staff ko, maraming salamat from Sir Lucky, Miss Marvs, Kevs, to my DOP, Marvin, Kuya Eric, Kuya Arman, Sir Emerson, at sa lahat-lahat pa na part ng Mavex, maraming salamat sa pagiging kakampi all throughout the shoot and hanggang sa matapos ang pelikula. Maraming salamat rin po sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga directors and producers ko po na nag-attend po dito sa premiere night. Ayun lang po. Thank you so much, May 7 and Cinemas Nationwide.
Sergio!
Maraming salamat. The feeling is surreal. It's been a long time and I would just like to thank everyone here. You've done so well. We thank the Lord for the gift of acting, the gift of creativity, and we just want to give the glory back to God. Maraming salamat po. Let's give God praise.
May nakalimutan pala akong pasalamatan my writers, Miss Onay and Miss Dean. Maraming salamat po. And to my editor, Miss Maria Ignacio. Thank you so much po.
Of course, eto na. Unahin natin, Daniela, na medyo emotional pa, teary-eyed.
Yes po, gusto ko pong pasalamatan kayong lahat kasi nag-effort po kayong pumunta at manood ngayong gabi. At gusto ko po pasalamatan yung Rise and Star Magic. Oh my
Rise of Star Magic family ko po. My real family wasn't able to attend today, but you know, my other family is here and I'm so grateful for that. Tita Monch, Miss Jenny, thank you. Tita Mavex Production, thank you so much for trusting me and trusting all of us. I'm super grateful and I'm so happy. Direk, thank you, Sir Joe. To all the cast, thank you so much po. Thank you po sa inyong lahat.
Marami akong ilalabas na.
Grabe, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mavex Productions, thank you so much for trusting me and Daniela dito sa mga roles namin. And of course, I would like to thank you sa tambalang ito. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you sa mga friends ko na nandito ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, Sir Lucky. Maraming salamat, Direk Noah. Thank you. Wala na ako ibang masabi, pero sana po i-spread po natin. Kung nagustuhan nyo po yung pelikula, sana po mag-post po tayo or mag-story tayo para marami pa pong sumuporta. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Yes! Once again, congratulations! Palakpakan natin the cast, the crew, direct, and of course, Sir Joe. Palakpakan din natin ang Mavex Production for...
Ayan, sige. Say hi muna to the rec and of course to your co-actors. And now it's time to say hi sa mga kasama din natin dito sa The Block. Matt and Daniela, please. Ayan, batiin natin ang ating mga friends here tonight.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa amin ngayong gabi. And yeah, it's so nice seeing you all.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga time nyo. Alam ko po na busy po ang mga tao ngayon, pero nandito kayo ngayong gabi to support The Last Goodbye. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy the movie.
Yes, definitely. I'm sure mag-enjoy lahat. Kaya naman palakpakan natin ulit the cast and the director of The Last Goodbye. So please, picture muna tayo lahat. At habang nagpipicture at nagbabonding kami here on stage, sa mga ticket holders, maaari na po kayong pumasok sa loob ng Cinema 3. Ayan, sige, closer po, closer. Ayan.
Salamat.
And invite everyone.
Hello everyone. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa premiere ng The Last Goodbye. Sana po suportahan po natin itong pelikula on May 7 in cinemas worldwide. Charot, nationwide. Okay, thank you guys.
Let's claim ang nationwide.
Tsaka yung ano.
Maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin Direct Noah Tonga. Salamat po. And eto na ang magpapakilig at...
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the premiere of Love Notes, the movie, Joe Domingo's The Last Goodbye. This is not just a premiere of a movie, but this is a celebration of the stories that have touched our hearts for the past 37 years.
37 years.
Hindi ka pa pinapanganak ng
Love
Notes
na. Opo, pasensya na po.
Anyway, maraming you're all part of this journey, kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We're so excited to join you mamaya sa Cinema 3 to watch this very beautiful movie.
Thank you and congratulations, Sir Joe. Excited na kami na matunghayan itong pelikulang ito. And of course, eto naman.
SM North, The Block! Kamusta naman kayong lahat? Wow, I love this mic. It's very loud. Yes! Kamusta naman kayo? Okay lang ba kayo?
Yes,
yes. Sana okay lang kayo dahil maulan. Pero syempre sa mga papunta pa lang dito, sabihin nyo, stay safe. Syempre mag-ingat sa daan. Pero please do invite everyone to watch our movie dahil bukas na po yan, showing in cinemas May 7. So sana po you can say good things, reviews, any opinion or comments on your social media accounts. And please don't forget to tag us, the artists, and Mavex Production. Maraming salamat, guys!
Thank you so much, Karina, and congratulations. Ikaw naman, Troy.
So ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Tapos ngayon, abangan po natin, sabay-sabay natin panoorin, and sana po magustuhan niyo. Yan lang po.
Thank you so much, and congratulations sa inyong movie. Palakpakan natin ulit, Troy and Karina. At dito muna kayo sa likod.